ever thought of where you can do affiliate marketing? How you can do affiliate marketing? Then you are in the right place. Kindly click that repost button, share, follow, and hit on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any tips in regards to affiliate marketing and how to go about it. Here we don't get keep. We will give you step-by-step process on how to go about it. Ask your questions in the comment section and I will respond to you directly. So let's dive right in. Today we'll be talking about 5 platforms where you can do affiliate marketing. In our subsequent videos, we are going to detail these platforms, the requirements for each of these platforms, how it works, and how you can actually make money on them. So don't miss out on that. So let's go. So the first user-friendly platform that we go to every day and we don't even know that we can make money from there, it's Amazon Affiliate, Amazon Associate Affiliate Program. The steps are very simple. Tomorrow I will do a video and take you through the platform and I will take you what is required and how to sign up for Amazon Affiliate. So once you have signed up, it is beginner friendly and you have a variety of brands that you can promote instantly when you are signed up to Amazon Affiliate. So the next one we are going to also talk about today is ClickBank. ClickBank is another interesting and open affiliate marketing platform that you can conveniently go to meet high tickets and multinational brands. So the commissions as well that you get from ClickBank, they are also very high. So you can also use ClickBank as an affiliate platform. And we go ahead on the third point, we will talk about TikTok Affiliate Program. TikTok Affiliate Program is another program that you can also sign up for. In our subsequent video, we will talk about how you can access TikTok Affiliate Program, what are the advantages and the criteria you will meet to have it. And fourthly, we will be talking about Digital Boss Academy. Digital Boss Academy is an academy platform that actually gives you 85% of referral commission. There you learn different skills that can enable you comfortably make money online. And even if you have these different platforms to do affiliate marketing from, you still need to learn in order to get to where you want to be. So Digital Boss Academy, it's there for you. It has 85% referral commission. And on the fourth point, we are also going to be talking about Digistore. Digistore is another affiliate program platform where you can also make huge amounts of returns from. It also has a variety of brands and it is open for you. So if you're followed right up to this point, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more useful tips like this. See you tomorrow and we will continue to explore the different affiliate marketing platforms.